What if you could turn a simple story, a little idea you have, into a beautifully illustrated book with characters that stay perfectly flawlessly consistent from the first page to the very last? What if you could take a picture of your own child and make them the hero of their very own personalized adventure? This isn't a glimpse into the future. This is what is possible right now. This is Artistly 6. If you are involved in any kind of digital creation, whether you are an author, a designer, an entrepreneur, or just someone fascinated by the power of AI, you've probably heard of Artistly. It has been a solid contender in the AI design space for a while now. One of the main reasons behind its popularity is the one-time payment model. You pay once, get lifetime access to the AI art generator, and even receive all future updates at no additional cost. Now, this isn't going to be a full review of Artistly. We've already covered its features in detail in several past reviews. If you'd like a deeper dive, feel free to check out those videos after watching this one. I'll leave a link for you below. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything that is new. We'll look at new and also updated features, exploring exactly how they work and how you can use them in your own projects. We'll be looking at their new storybook creator with consistent characters, a personalized hero feature, a one-click coloring book converter, and a couple more. So, is Artistly 6.0 the real deal? Does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First up, I want to introduce you to a tool that will fundamentally revolutionize the way you create narratives. This is the new multi-character storybook agent. For a long time, the biggest frustration for authors and illustrators using AI has been consistency. You create a character you love, but in the next image, their hair is a different color, their clothes have changed, or they look like a completely different person. It was a constant battle of rerolling and prompt engineering. Those days are over. The process is now unbelievably simple. Let me show you how. Let's log into the Artistly dashboard and choose the Fast AI Image Designer. Click on AI Design Agents tab. Here you'll notice two options currently in beta: consistent character storybook and multi-character storybook. I've tested both a few times and they worked surprisingly well. Let me click on the multi-character storybook tab. Next, all you need to do is take any script, any story, and paste it directly into this box. Artistly 6 gets to work instantly. It reads and understands your story, automatically identifying the distinct characters within your narrative. Then it creates a unique digital model for each one, ensuring they remain consistent throughout the entire book. Watch this. Let's create a story called Maya and the Magical Sieve. Our main characters are Maya, a young girl with a signature red ribbon in her hair, her grandfather, who always wears his round spectacles, and Squeaky, the fluffy-tailed squirrel. I am just going to paste it here and choose the dimension, which in this case is 4 to 5, and click on Generate Story. Look closely. From the first scene to finding the seed and the middle, where they water it, to the final pages, Maya's red ribbon is always there. Her grandfather's kind bespectacled eyes remain the same in every single illustration. Even Squeaky the squirrel is perfectly consistent. You can create incredible stories with up to 4 unique consistent characters, bringing your narratives to life with a level of detail and continuity that was previously impossible without a professional illustrator. This is a game changer not just for children's books, but for webcomics, graphic novels, and educational materials. Your world, your characters perfectly realized. But then, what if the hero of the story wasn't just a character we invented? What if the hero could be someone you truly love? This brings me to the AI Storybook Studio. Again, you can start from an idea or a script. Let's go with the first one. Here we can upload a photo or generate one with AI. You can upload a photo of your child, your grandchild, a niece or nephew, anyone, and make them the star of their own story. The process is designed to be heartfelt and simple. Let's try. We'll upload a picture of this young boy. Let me choose human style from here. Let's call him Leo. He absolutely loves space, so we want to make that part of his adventure. In the costume direction, we'll tell Artistly about his favorite outfit. We'll type a brave space explorer wearing blue astronaut pajamas with bright yellow stars. For our story idea, let's give it a simple, imaginative prompt. Leo's backyard rocket adventure, a story about how he turns a simple cardboard box into a magnificent spaceship. We can choose the type of story from here. Let me choose fantasy. We can choose up to 32 pages. I am going to choose 25 for this demo. Dimensions are 4 to 5 and click generate. In just a few moments, Artistly's AI gets to work. It doesn't just paste a face onto a stock body. It analyzes the facial features, the hair, the essence of the child in the photo, and transforms them into a beautiful, coherent 3D style character that looks just like them. Then it illustrates an entire personalized storybook from start to finish. Look at that, it is Leo perfectly captured in this wonderful illustrative style, embarking on his adventure. This is without a doubt the most heartfelt and unique gift you can possibly create. I can already see the improvement. The image quality is noticeably sharper, and the colors look much more vibrant compared to earlier versions of Artistly. Keep in mind, it is still in beta. Now, what if one image isn't quite right? Maybe you want to change a small detail. In the past, that meant regenerating the entire page and hoping for the best. Not anymore. The new in-image edit feature lets you fine-tune any page with a simple text prompt. Let's say on this page, we decide we want Leo's pajamas to be red instead of blue. Just click on this and choose edit image. Now type change his pajamas to red. Done. The AI intelligently edits only that element, leaving the rest of the image, and most importantly, Leo's character perfectly intact. This level of control saves you time and unleashes your creativity. By the way, recently they have also added the ability to change the story text. I am not going to do that now. And when your masterpiece is finally ready, with a single click, you can convert your entire storybook into a dynamic animated flipbook. Just go to Personal Designs and choose the section you use to create the design. For this, we use the AI Storybook Studio. So let's choose that. And now click on Create, Flip Book, and choose the story. If you click one of the pages, all the related pages from the story will be selected. You can see that 25 pages have been selected. By the way, Artistly has also created the cover page for us. Once again, click on Create Flipbook. Here you can even add read aloud narration to bring your story to life. Simply choose a voice and a language, and Artistly will generate a beautiful audio track that reads your story as the page is turned. It is perfect for sharing online, for bedtime stories, or for creating engaging content for an audience of any age. Choose the template front and back covers and hit generate, and your flipbook will be ready. Another feature I would like to show inside Artistly 6 is the new AI stylizer. With the AI stylizer, you can take any image you've created in Artistly or any image you upload and completely reimagine its artistic style in seconds. Let's take one of our favorite illustrations of Maya and her grandfather. It is beautiful as it is. But what else could it be? With one click, let's see what it looks like in a classic comic book style, complete with halftone dots and bold inks. Perfect for that webcomic idea you've had. Now, let's try something different. How about a polished 3D Pixar style, like something out of a modern animated film? Again, one click, the possibilities are endless. But for all the creators out there looking to build a business, there is a style that is a true game changer. Select the line art style. Instantly, the AI stylizer converts your detailed illustration into a perfect high quality black and white coloring page. The lines are clean, the details are preserved, and it is ready to be printed. Think about it. You can now create an entire beautifully illustrated storybook and then, with just a few clicks, generate a companion coloring book to go along with it. This is an incredible tool for Etsy sellers, teachers creating classroom materials, or parents looking for a fun, creative activity. Creating your next coloring book has never ever been this easy. Artistly 6 also brings a suite of powerful updates designed to streamline professional workflows. We know many of you are architects, interior designers, and real estate professionals. You start with a concept, a rough sketch, turning that sketch into a compelling visual used to take hours of complex 3D modeling. Now it takes seconds. Just upload your hand-drawn floor plan or a rough concept sketch, and Artistly 6 will transform it into a photorealistic 3D render complete with realistic lighting, textures, and furniture. It is the fastest way to bring your architectural vision to life. The photo restoration feature has also been updated. No more guessing prompts or tweaking dozens of sliders. Just upload a faded, scratched, or black and white photograph. The new one-click tool intelligently analyzes the damage, repairs scratches, clarifies faces, and colorizes the image with historically accurate tones. Go to AI Design Agents and choose Photo Restoration. Let's choose this one. Let me leave the size at default and click Restore Photo. The results are astonishing. It is about more than just technology. It is about preserving precious memories and bringing history back to life with a single click. Then there is also the updated perfect text in images feature, which we don't yet have access to. From what I've heard, it is powered by a brand new text, first generation model built from the From what I've heard, it is powered by a brand new text, first generation model built from the ground up to render text flawlessly every single time. I am excited to see how it performs once we get to try it out. And that just about wraps things up. Those are some of the key updates I've noticed in the new Artistly 6.0. One thing that hasn't changed is the price. It is still available for a one-time payment of $49 for the basic plan and $147 for the Artistly premium plan. I will leave links in the description for you to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.